ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I will hearty welcome to you on Samveda e-learning classes 9th standard 3rd language English. Proverb. Great opportunities to help others seldom come, but small ones surround us every day. By Sally Coach. According to Sally Coach, great opportunities to help others rarely come, but small ones surround us every day in our daily life. Yes, okay children. A friend. Yes, okay children, I have come here with a new topic. Before going to our topic, I have come here with a activity. Yes, let's see what's that. Okay. Yes children, what are you looking in the picture? Yes, what are you observing in the picture, dear children? Yes, okay, give the answer. Yes, okay children, what are you looking in the picture? Yes, give the answer. Okay, your answer is right. A man is drowning in water and he asks for help by raising his hand. Okay. Another one. Yes. What are you seeing in the picture, dear children? Yes. What do you see in the picture? Yes, give the answer. Okay, your answer is right, good. A man is grabbing an opportunity. He got to help and stretch his hand to help. Okay. Another one. What are you looking in the picture, dear children? Yes, what are two men doing in the picture? Yes, give the answer. Yes, what are you observing in the picture? Okay. Yes, your answer is right. A man seeks help from a man and another one stretched to help. Okay. Yes, dear children, in above two pictures, can you imagine who they may be? Yes. Yes, can you imagine? Yes, can you observe? In above two pictures, can you imagine who they may be? Yes, okay. Yes, give the answer. Yes, your answer is right. They may be our friends or neighbors. Yes. Okay, children. Yes, I have going to read the poem number 6, Six Honest Friends. Yes, Six Honest Friends. Composed by Rudyard Kipling. Yes, before going to read the poem, we have to know about the poet Rudyard Kipling. Yes, introduction about the poet. Yes, here is the image of Rudyard Kipling. Yes, Rudyard Kipling was born in the year 1865 and died in the year 1936. He was a poet, novelist, and a short story writer. He was born in Mumbai. He returned to India after stay in England and become a journalist. He was the first English writer to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907. Yes, children, do you know about Nobel Prize? Yes, I will tell you. Nobel Prize is the world's most prestigious award given for the achievement in different fields. So, Rudyard Kipling also received the Nobel Prize in Literature. He was the first Indian English writer to receive the Nobel Prize. Yes, okay children, now we have learned about the poet. Yes, now move to another part. Yes, okay children, now I am going to read the poem Six Honest Friends. Listen carefully. I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. Yes, I will repeat once again. Listen carefully. I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. The names are what and why and when and how and where and who. Stanza 2nd. I send them over land and sea. I send them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. Yes, I repeat once again. Listen carefully. I send them over land and sea. I send them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. Stanza 3rd. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch and tea, for they are hungry men. Yes, I repeat once again. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch and tea, for they are hungry men. Yes, stanza 4th. But Different folk have different views. I know a person small, she keeps 10 million serving men who get no rest at all. Yes, I repeat once again. But different folk have different views. I know a person small, she keeps 10 million serving men who get no rest at all. Stanza 5th. She sent them abroad on her own affairs. From the second she opens her eyes, 1 million house, 2 million wares and 7 million wives. Yes children, I repeat once again, all of you listen carefully. She sent them abroad on her own affairs. From the second she opens her eyes, 1 million house, 2 million wares and 7 million wives. Yes, okay children, I hope you all are enjoyed the recitation. While reciting the poem, you might have come across many new words from the poem. Now we are going to know the meaning and usages. Yes, okay children. Yes, first meaning honest. Yes, honest means sincere. Yes, honesty is the best policy. You all are similar from this proverb. Okay. Yes, now we make the sentence. Honest. He gave an honest answer on it. We have to support to honest men. Okay. Another one, folk. Folk means people. Yes, we can make sentence. Folk. We can see different folk in the world. The source of a nation is folk. Yes, okay children. View. View means opinion or thought. Yes, okay. Now we can make the sentence. Okay. We have different views about usages of mobile. Yes. Another one. Abdul Kalam's views about Indian science were unforgettable. Okay children. Affairs. Affairs means business. Okay children. We can make the sentence. Jai Shankar is a foreign affairs minister. We have different affairs to live happily in the world. Yes, another one, sir. Sir means work for, work. Many people serve for the nation. We need to serve for better future. Yes. Abroad. Yes, abroad meaning is overseas, out of country. Yes, you are looking the picture. Yes, out of country. Sentence. My brother is studying in abroad. I am going abroad for a week. Yes, okay children. Now let us study the poem in detail. Okay. Summary of the poem. I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. The names are wife, what and why and when and how and where and who. Yes, in this stanza, poet says that he keeps 6 honest serving men. Serving man means servant, honest servant, hard worker servant, who help him to learn more. So they taught him all he knew. So every person will have closest friend with him. The same way every child must and should keep 6 honest friends. Those should be the words like what and why and when and how and where. Yes, now we move to the second stanza. I sent them over land and sea. I sent them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. Yes, in this stanza, all those WH question words, we use them to fulfill our question and get aims of the topic, and for this we send these words to land and sea, east and west. After getting our needed answer, we send them to rest. Yes, another one. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch and tea, for they are hungry men. The speaker gives rest to 6 friends, even at the time of lunch, breakfast and tea, for they are hungry men. When they work, after work, poet has given rest to all 6 honest friends. But another one, but different folk have different views. I know a person small, she keeps 10 million serving men who get no rest at all. In this stanza, the poet expressed that different people have different views and ideas who asked the question, and he said that he knew a little person. So, little person, she keeps 10 million serving men. 10 million serving men. Million means lakhs together. She keeps 10 million serving men, lakhs together, who never get rest from asking questions to herself. Yes, another one. She sent them abroad on her own affairs. From the second she opens her eyes, 1 million house, 2 million wives and 7 million wives. In the stanza, the speaker sends WH words out of country, abroad, for her business. There she has new things to see. She has million of questions like how, where and why. At last, poet summarized that these 6 honest friends help us to understand ourselves and acquire knowledge perfectly by asking these questions. Let's study about the rhyming words which were in the poem. Yes, okay children. A rhyming words. What is rhyme? Yes, a rhyme is a repetition of similar sounds in the final stressed syllables usually find in the poem. Yes, now we see the rhyming words. Yes, first one, men. Men rhyming word, when. See, me. Then, men. Small, all. Affairs, waves. Eyes, wives. Yes, now we move to the next part. Okay. Yes, here is a activity for you. Match the following rhyming words. Column A to to column B. Okay. Men. Men, correct rhyme word is when. Answer D. Next, C. C, correct rhyme word is me. Third one is small. Small rhyme word is all. Yes, fourth one. Affairs. Affairs rhyme word is wares. Yes, eyes rhyme word is wives. Yes. Okay, children. Yes, I will ask some questions on the topic. Give the answers. Okay, children. Yes. Question number 1. Who are the 6 honest friends? Yes. Give the answer. Okay, children. Good. Your answer is right. What, why, when, how, where and who. Okay. Next question. Where did the poet send the 6 honest friends? Yes, okay children, give the answer. Yes, good. Your answer is right. The poet sent them over land and sea, east and west. Good. Yes, okay children, another one question. When does the poet give rest to them? Yes. Give the answer. Okay, your answer is right. Good children. The poet gives rest them 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Yes, okay children. Another one question. Why was she sent to abroad? Yes, give the answer. Okay, your answer is right. She was sent abroad for her business. Yes, okay children. Now I am going to give the homework. Yes, all of you take down your notebook and note down the questions. Yes, okay, homework. Yes, question number 1. Express your own views on honesty. Yes, okay children. I will repeat once again. All of you listen carefully and write down. Okay. Express your own views on honesty. Yes. Another one. Look at the below given picture and describe it using WH words. Yes. I repeat once again. Note down. Yes. Look at the below given picture and describe it using WH words. Okay, thank you for support to us.